Well, I don't know if your horses are neat eaters, but my horse Frisby is not. Every morning when I put him out in his turnout, whether it's the back pasture or in the front, which is my riding arena, I put his breakfast out for him and he proceeds to dump it, which isn't awful, but it's a little bit frustrating because I've spent a lot of time and money on different supplements that I put into his morning feed. And when he dumps it out, I'm not sure if he's getting all of the supplements that I've intended for him to have. So I've been looking for a solution to my problem, and I think I finally found it. Hello my equestrian friends, it's me Lisa, the Budget Equestrian. Welcome back to today's video. And like I said in the beginning, my horse Frisby is a very sloppy eater. He likes to pick up his bucket and tip it over. He dumps it out, so he isn't getting everything that I've intended for him to get. So I've been looking for a solution to try and make it so that he gets his feed. And I got this in the mail from Jeffers Equine, and it could not have come at a more opportune time. So I've made a couple of videos showing different things that I've gotten from Jeffers. Thank you so much, Jeffers, for sending me these products. So far, they've been incredible, and I'm so hoping this one is too. So this is called a Gradual Feeder. It's by Burlingham Sports, and I'm hoping it will help Frisby to slow down on eating and hopefully make it so he can't tip it over. So let's see what it looks like. Kind of looks like a giant Lego when you look at it from that way. That is awesome. So this is called a Gradual Feeder. And can you see all the little holes? So I'm thinking the feed is going to go into these holes and make it so he will slow down his eating. That's really not a problem with him. He doesn't eat super fast, but the way that it's made, I'm hoping he won't be able to tip it over. It looks pretty promising. I think this will be awesome to test out and see if he can leave his food in here and eat it from here. So we're going to go set this up, test it out, and I'll come back and talk to you in a minute. The Burlingham Gradual Feeder has an innovative design. It's a slow feeder to help slow down consumption of hard feeds. It allows a natural eating position which prevents scoffing and gulping. And there are 12 feeding basins that are 2 inches deep in the bottom, and it can hold up to 2 large scoops of feed. It's made from polyethylene. It can be used indoors or out, and Jeffers has it for $78.99. It comes in black, red, green, or blue, and I got the blue one. So I'm thinking this must be a new product from Burlingham Sports, but if it's anything like the hay ball feeder that I just got from Jeffers too, it's going to be awesome. I'm super excited to try this out. We'll see what happens. And Frisby is going to be a very good test subject for this, not just because of the messy feeding or, eating it too fast. He doesn't really have too much of a problem with that. But the biggest problem I have is he tips over his feed. And to me, that is really frustrating because there are supplements in with the hard feed, and I add water to it, which is probably one of the things he doesn't like. But I add about 2 gallons of water to his feed. And this way I make sure that he's getting enough water to drink every day. When I have him in a stall, it's different because the bucket is hanging on the wall and he doesn't ever try to dump it out. But every morning, it doesn't matter where I feed him, he's always dumping over the feed. I've tried big buckets. I've tried fence hangers. He takes those down. I've even tried putting a feeder inside a tire, hoping that would keep him from dumping out his feed, but he still figures out how to dump it. So let's go set this up, and then we're going to try it out on Frisby. I will be in different clothes when I come back because he only gets put out in the morning with his feed like this, so it's going to be a little bit of a time lapse. All right, so I tested out the Gradual Feeder, and I have to say I'm impressed. It worked. Frisbee was not able to tip it over. He actually ate all of his feed, and I know he got all of his supplements too, because he ate everything that was in the feeder. So if you have a horse that likes to tip out his feed or dump his feed over, this might be a really good option for you. Like I said earlier, it is $78.99. You can find it at Jeffers, and I will make sure to leave a link in the description below in case you would like to check it out. One more time, I have to say a big thank you to Jeffers for sending me these different items to test out. I put them through their paces, I did a real world test, and you guys saw the results, so I'm pretty happy with that. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you can watch all my other product reviews, DIY projects, and horse-related videos showing you how to make the most of the time that you have with your horse. Again, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.